وإذا لقوا الذين آمنوا قالوا آمنا وإذا خلوا إلى شياطينهم قالوا إنا معكم إنما نحن مستهزئون.
When they meet the believers, they say, "We believe." But when they meet their evil companions in privacy, they say, "Surely, we are with you. We were merely jesting."
الله يستهزئ بهم ويمدهم في طغيانهم يعمهون.
Allah jests with them, leaving them to wander blindly on in their rebellion.
أولئك الذين اشتروا الضلالة بالهدى فما ربحت تجارتهم وما كانوا مهتدين.
These are the ones who have purchased error in exchange for guidance. This bargain has brought them no profit, and certainly they are not on the right way.
مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا فلما أضاءت ما حوله ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون.
They are like him who kindled a fire, and when it lit up all around him, Allah took away the light of their perception, and left them in utter darkness where they can see nothing.